You know you found a good pair of jeans when you just can't fight the urge to dance.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Hey there, fashion friends. So today we are doing another denim review video. Today we're looking at the brand Boyish Denim. This brand is a women's sustainable denim brand, and they are actually inspired by women who would describe their style aesthetic as boyish. Not only that, they use recycled materials that are processed in an environmentally friendly and cruelty-free process. They are definitely a brand after my own heart, really focusing on quality and the fit, the detail of the fit of the jeans, really focusing on the femininity aspect, which is just so perfect with the having that balance of the sort of boyish aesthetic. So you can see what has pulled me in by this brand. So needless to say, I was super excited to receive 2 pairs of jeans from the brand to do this review for you today. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me sharing a brand that I am pretty pumped up about. So let's get into it. We're looking at the fit, fabric, and function of 2 different pairs of jeans today from Boyish, and we will be doing my new scoring method. If you haven't seen my previous video where I explained that I am now doing a scoring method on my review videos just to be able to really differentiate each review video for you guys, so it just doesn't turn into like a big sea of review videos where I'm like, oh, it's amazing, it's awesome, I love it, oh yay. Because yeah, everything that I do bring on this channel I love and I think is great, but obviously there is a scale, there is a spectrum of the level of greatness each item is at, and I just think this way I can better communicate that to you guys. So the first pair of jeans that we are looking at today are the Ziggy in His Girl Friday. It's a fancy name. These retail for $168. So the fit is a high-waisted, relaxed, straight jean. This has a 12.5-inch rise. Amazing. With a 32-inch inseam, an 18-inch leg opening, and these are a size 26, which is my normal size, so therefore these are true to size. For me, when I say true to size, these are fitting me very snug, very tight, which is how I like my jeans. If having tight jeans is wrong, then I don't want to be right. Okay, so I am actually super obsessed with this fit because it's really nice and snug in the waist, in the waistband, but without being uncomfortable. So just meaning there's just enough give to not basically make you feel like you're cutting off the blood flow to the upper half of your body, but then having a somewhat looser fit or like a hug to the hips. So it ultimately gives you the illusion of curves, or for me anyways, it gives the illusion of curves. And for this rectangular shaped gal, that is a massive, massive plus, because I'm looking to have those feminine curves. And of course, the most important thing, the booty. These have a slanted wide set pocket placement that has a little bit of a higher up placement on the booty. So it definitely gives you that little bit of a lift, giving the illusion of your butt being a little bit more perkier than maybe it actually is. And who wouldn't want that? So the score I'm giving the fit is a 10. Yep, a 10. For the fabric, ooh, girl. 70% organic cotton, 30% GRC certified recycled cotton. These are a medium light eco wash. And because they've used the recycled cotton, this actually reduces the carbon footprint as well as the water usage. So speaking to the fabric, I mean, I'm just absolutely beyond obsessed with the softness of the fabric. They're just so comfortable. You might as well just be wearing a pair of sweatpants. They're just amazing. But you're not. You're wearing a very sexy pair of jeans. So the score for fabric is gonna be another perfect 10. A 10. Okay, so now we're getting into the function. Like I've said before, function basically means how they can be styled. These are super versatile and you can style with so much stuff. The little styling details that can be done with doing like a large cuff, smaller cuff, you know, the relaxed rolls, and then as well as that, just the elevated vintage style with just little edgy tweaks, you know, to the wash and just the little distressing and the fit. Just the combination of all of that just really makes these an elevated pair of jeans. Solo a la leyendas vivas. Somos leyendas vivas. La gente pone las reglas para que los otros las sigan. So of course, the score for function is a 10, giving these jeans a final score of a perfect 10. Yes. Okay, the next pair of jeans that we are looking at is the Tommy in Devil is a Woman. These jeans are actually on sale right now for $84. Nice. Okay, so let's talk about fit. These jeans are a high-waisted straight jean. They have a 10.5-inch rise, a 26-inch inseam, and a 14.5-inch leg opening. These are a size 26 as well, which is my size, making them true to size. These do fit tight. So these are nice and snug, which again, is how I like it. I like them tight. So these jeans to me are super flattering as well as comfortable, just like the previous ones. The pocket placement on these jeans aren't quite as slanted or wide placement, but it still has that higher pocket placement, really giving that lift to the booty and still looking real good. I did give this a score of 8 because for the tightness, they are a bit tight in the crotch, not gonna lie. Not really sure what else to say about that. So we'll just keep it moving. So fabric is the same as the one before, 70% organic cotton and 30% GRC certified recycled cotton. Fabric is so soft, so comfortable, and I just love how it hugs the body and just is super flattering in that way. As well as that, the vertical stripes, obsessed with, because vertical stripes elongate the body and just basically give you the illusion of being taller and lankier. So the fabric gets a score of a 10. Okay, so function, speaking to the styling aspect, I absolutely love these because, like I said, with the stripes, I feel like the stripes add a little bit of edge to the jeans. So I just feel like this is going to elevate any basic look. For me, the only thing I would say is that the inseam hit me at kind of an awkward spot, so I probably will snip it up a bit, but I have cuffed them as well. It's also nice to have that little bit of length, just depending on what you're putting them with. But these jeans ultimately look good with high tops, boots, sandals, pretty much anything you can really think to put with them, they look good. So I love that. I am gonna score these at a 9 just for the tiny little fact that they aren't quite as versatile just because of those vertical stripes. Just makes them a tiny bit novelty and not as versatile. So this brings us to the final score of 9. So not perfect, but darn close. All right, folks, there we have it. 2 pairs of jeans from Boyish Denim. All around great jeans. I'm obsessed. I love the brand's initiatives, and yeah, I'm just super excited to see what they continue to do. So I will make sure to link the 2 pairs of jeans tried on here today. But yeah, definitely go check them out. Okay, if you did like today's episode, give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already for future weekly episodes. Okay, you know we will be chatting soon. Bye.